Hey, third grade. So you just got done listening to the story called The Doorbell Rang. And in this story, you saw more people come and they had to keep on dividing the cookies between everybody. And so today, you're going to have some word problems that involve using cookies and dividing cookies between people. And then you have little cookies at the bottom that you get to use to help you practice dividing and finding your answer. So that's what you're going to be doing today. And if you have any questions, please remember you need to hop onto my office hours starting at 2:40 to 3:30. So I hope you guys have fun doing this and let me know if you have any questions or you need any help. Okay. Oh, and then today, after this, you're going to be working on Reflex Math, and that's going to be a new program for us this year in third grade. You might have used it last year in second grade, and that's wonderful if you did, but if you didn't, I have a video and instructions for you and another assignment here on Google Classroom, but that's going to be your activity today. I encourage you to practice using Reflex Math for about 20 minutes, and you can get on Reflex Math every single day if you want to. I will be assigning it a couple days a week, 1 or 2 days a week, along with Education Galaxy assignments, but today, Reflex Math is going to be your activity, and you're just going to get started taking the placement test on Reflex, and you'll see what that looks like when you get to the website. All right, have fun today.